Hey YouTube, Garbage here, back at it again. Today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to fix code P2076 on a Chevy Cruze. It's a 2013. It's very common issue. It's an infamous fix between the years 2010 and 2015, I believe, for the Chevy Cruze. You'll have that code. It'll give you a check engine. Not really a misfire, but you have the check engine. It'll tell you to replace this valve, and you can check this video right here. If you want to replace that, it's about $18. It's very easy to do. You can do that as well. But your fix is this. This little stick breaks originally from dealer. It goes right over here. Let me show you. It goes right over there, the bottom part, and then the top part goes right here. So it clips here, and then it clips down there at the bottom. As you can see over there, the little hole. It clips there. And if you look at your car, you have a Chevy Cruze, there's a 95% chance you have this thing loose. So you can buy it on Amazon. That's the only place you can buy it, and it's $10. They'll give you, well, I paid $12. They give you 4 pieces. So if it breaks, you can replace it again, but you can only get it from Amazon because the dealership or any other places will sell you the whole manifold, the whole piece together, which is insane. But let me show you how to replace this, how to remove it. Mine fell off. It was just hanging from one side, so I just pulled it out. But I'm going to show you how to do that. It's going to be a really quick video, and this is going to solve your issue. Check the link in the description for the part where you can buy it, and it arrives the same day or the next day. And it's very easy to do. So let me show you what to do. Okay, guys, so to replace this part is very easy. What I did is I put it back on so I can show you what you have to do. Your problem would be that this stick right here, as you can see, it's in there, up there. But in the bottom is not, it's out of the socket, as you can see, out of the little hole. It's supposed to go in there. Let me show you real quick. It's supposed to go in here, but over time, right there, but over time, it just comes out. So what you have to do is just come in here and grab this little thing. It also clips on the top. It's hard for me to show you, but let me see if I can. Just grab it and pull it out. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Okay, so grab it and pull it out just like that. And this comes out, see? So this part is old. This little donut here is not big enough anymore. So I'm gonna get the new one that I bought on Amazon. Like I said, it's $12. They give you 4 pieces, super cheap, and then you replace it, as you can see, very easily. Now the only trick here is that the bottom part right there, let me zoom in, that part right there won't line up with the stick. And what you have to do is, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the top part, which is let me see if I can show you. It's hard, but you can. It's right here on this. Let me see. I want to get you guys a good angle. I know people get mad when they don't see, but right there, right here, that little stick sticking out, that little donut. So you're gonna come in here and place this part up there, and then the bottom part, you're just gonna go in your car and turn the switch. Either turn on the car or turn the switch, and by turning that, it's gonna adjust the bottom part, because the bottom part right now, it won't line up. If you want to put it in there, it won't let you, because this part won't let you. So this hole has to be on the other side. So I'm just gonna go in, turn the key in the car, come back out, and that will align the little switch. So let me do that. Just turn on the car or turn the switch, and then come back out, and you can see how it's gonna adjust. Okay, guys, so I just turned the key. I didn't turn on the car, just turned the key, and as you can see, that the circle where it's supposed to get in, the hole was on this side. Now it just automatically turned to that side. So now you can just easily just pop this thing in place. Obviously, it's better if you do it with both hands. I'm doing it with one, but I think I can still do it. Let me see. So this is good that's hard, because it's supposed to stay in there once it pops in. I'm gonna try with both of my hands because it's hard to record and get a good position here, but I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's done. Okay, guys, so I just did it. It's hard to see, but as you can see right there, it's already in place, and then up here it's also in place, right there. And that's it, guys. That's how you solve your code. I'm gonna just reset the check engine light with the ABS machine, with the OBD machine, and then I'm gonna drive the car, and that's it. That fix will cost you $12. If you want to replace this valve, it's $18. You can check this video out, see how to do it. But that's it, guys. This will solve your issue. Hopefully it helps, and share it, because it's a very common problem. It's an infamous fix. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.